Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're going to learn the names of kitchen items to boost your language skills. Let's get started.
Can opener. Milk frother.
Peeler.
Grater. Cutting board. Chef's knife.
Paring knife. Serrated knife. Kitchen shears.
Cake tester. Tongs. Rolling pin. Mixing bowls.
Pastry brush. Pastry cutter.
Pastry bag. Piping tip.
Cake leveler. Oil mister. Pastry wheel. Dough scraper. Timer.
Candy thermometer.
Kitchen scale. Meat thermometer. Measuring cups. Funnel.
Canning funnel. Fat separator. Measuring spoons.
Blender. Food processor. Mixer.
Toaster. Microwave. Slow cooker.
Electric pressure cooker.
Rice cooker. Electric kettle. Potato masher. Garlic press.
Citrus juicer. Egg slicer.
Whisk. Ice cream scoop.
Pasta fork. Pizza cutter. Bottle opener.
Corkscrew.
Shrimp deveiner.
Sausage stuffer. Pot holders.
Oven mitts.
Barbecue tongs. Seafood cracker. Salad bowl.
Salad spinner. Wine bottle stopper. Strainer. Meat grinder.
Wine aerator.
Electric knife.
Electric yogurt maker.
Electric popcorn maker. Ice cream maker. Meat mallet. Electric grill.
Electric skillet. Electric deep fryer. Wok. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.